Crew AI versus N8N. Which workflow automation tool is best? I'm going to tell you whether Crew AI or N8N is a better choice in 2025. In a nutshell, Crew AI is built for developers. It's a Python-based open source framework designed to orchestrate multiple AI agents working together on complex tasks with human in-the-loop control. It gives you fine-grained agentic workflows but demands coding skills. N8N, on the other hand, is a visual, fair code workflow builder ideally suited to both technical and non-technical users, offering drag and drop integration of over 400 services, self-hosting, and scalable automation without deep programming. Reddit users praise N8N for its flexibility, cost effectiveness, while others point out Crew AI's appeal for AI agent specific use cases. Put simply, choose Crew AI if you're building bespoke AI collaborator systems and can code. Choose N8N for fast, scalable, user friendly workflow automation with option to add AI nodes when you need them.